Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card with the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start paying your groceries with the Instacart app and you want to connect your debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. From here, click on Settings. Then underneath Payment Methods, click on Debit/Credit, PayPal, and more. Now on the top-hand side, you're going to see an option to add your debit or credit card. Click on Add, and then this is where you can enter your card information or scan your card. Afterwards, click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card with the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.